Alright, so I got my Fly Tierra V1 complete jacked a couple of weeks ago. So a buddy of mine hooked my bike up, or what you see now, and so I'm just gonna do a little bike check because I got some stuff coming in from Danscomp in probably a couple days, so I'll do an unboxing, but for now I'm just gonna do like a bike check of what I have. So starting with the front, Eastern Curb Monkey tire 2.3 on an Eastern hub and a random BMX rim. I don't know what kind it is. I got premium forks, tapered, yeah, whatever. I have a Fit Street 2009 frame, integrated headset, 20.75 top tube. I have Eastern Medusa Light Forged V2 sprocket. I have profile cranks. They're just like the cheapest ones. I got a volume seat post. I'm about to cut that part off. This used to be an Odyssey seat. I got more stuff coming in from Danscomp. This is an Eastern bidirectional rear hub on a, again, chrome random BMX rim. And I got a premium refuse resist tire and 2.25. Yeah, it's pretty jacked up. I think I'm gonna raw the frame, and on Friday I'm getting in the mail an FBM Crown Royal V2 stem, and I'm getting a all black Federal slim seat, premium pedals, and Fly Pheno grips. And then after that, all I have to do is get integrated headset, and I'm going with Kink Human bars in chrome or black, don't really know yet. I plan to get G-Sport rims, rib cages, or bird cages, don't know yet. But yeah, on Friday I'll do a Danscomp unboxing and I'll show you what it looks like with all my stuff on there. But here's what my other bike was, but it got stolen. This is the Danscomp shit. Spent over total is, can't really see it. Well, I spent $973 just on Danscomp, but I bought the Fly Tierra frame for $150 off a friend. Just all this shit. But yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. I did this on my Galaxy S2, so sorry if it looks shitty. Supposed sticker or whatever. Fit emblem, can't see it. There it is. It looks like shit now, but I'll be rolling here soon. So yeah.